Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to add cash on delivery or COD as a payment method in Shopify. Cash on delivery allows customers to pay for their order when it's delivered instead of paying online during checkout. This can be a great option if you sell in regions where customers prefer paying in cash or if you want to offer more payment flexibility. I'll walk you through the entire setup using Shopify's current interface, explain the available options, and share a few best practices so you can decide whether cash on delivery is the right choice for your store. Let's get started. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look toward the bottom left corner and click Settings. This is where Shopify stores all of your store-wide configuration options, including payments, shipping, taxes, and checkout settings. Inside the Settings menu, click Payments. This page displays every payment method connected to your store, including Shopify Payments, PayPal, and any third-party payment providers you've enabled. Scroll down until you find the Manual Payment Methods section. Since cash on delivery isn't an online payment gateway, Shopify treats it as a manual payment method. Under this section, click Add Manual Payment Method. A list of available manual payment methods will appear. Select Cash on Delivery, or COD, from the list. You'll now be asked to configure the payment method. The first field is the payment method name. In most cases, leaving it as Cash on Delivery, COD, is perfectly fine because customers immediately understand what it means. However, if you prefer, you can rename it to something like Pay Upon Delivery or Cash Payment at Delivery. Next, you'll see a field for additional details. This information appears during checkout before the customer places their order. Use this area to briefly explain how the payment works. For example, you can mention that payment must be made directly to the delivery driver when the order arrives, and that only cash is accepted if that's your policy. Below that is the Payment Instructions section. These instructions are displayed after the customer completes their order. This is a good place to include more detailed instructions, such as asking customers to prepare the exact amount, informing them whether change is available, or explaining any delivery requirements. Clear instructions help avoid confusion and reduce delivery issues. Once you've finished filling out the details, click Activate Cash on Delivery. Shopify will immediately add it as an available payment option for eligible customers. After activation, it's a good idea to test everything yourself. Open your online store, add any product to the cart, and proceed through the checkout process. When you reach the payment step, you should see Cash on Delivery listed alongside your other available payment methods, provided your checkout settings and shipping options support it. If you don't see the option, double-check that the payment method is still active in your payment settings. Also verify that the shipping address you're using during testing is eligible for cash on delivery, since some shipping methods or delivery zones may not support it. Keep in mind that cash on delivery isn't the best fit for every business. Because customers pay when the order arrives, there's always a possibility they'll refuse delivery or cancel at the last minute. For that reason, many merchants only offer COD within specific regions for returning customers or for orders below a certain value. You can also combine cash on delivery with your regular online payment gateways. Offering multiple payment options gives customers more flexibility and can improve your overall checkout experience. Some buyers prefer paying online with a card, while others are much more comfortable paying with cash when the package arrives. I hope this tutorial helped. If it did, consider liking the video and subscribing for more Shopify tutorials and e-commerce guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.